How to cancel NBA subscription. Hello and welcome back to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you can launch your NBA application. However, you'll be redirected to the same subscription section of Play Store. So to cut out some of the hassle, directly launch your Play Store in your mobile device. To reach to your payment and subscription, what you actually have to do is firstly switch your Play Store account into the account through which you have purchased your NBA subscription. Once you have logged in through the email account, then from all of these options, check out Payment and Subscription. Under the section of Payment and Subscription, tap on the Subscription button. If you have subscribed to your NBA, you will find it in this list. At the side of the NBA, you will see the Manage button. Click on it. After which you will find a Cancel button. Tap on it. For the final confirmation, again click on Cancel. After which you'll be able to cancel your NBA subscription successfully. Now, your credit card or debit card will no longer be charged for further subscription due as well. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.